You have to know your audience. Know thy audience. Who is that person that you like? Who is that person that's your target audience? Know them. Don't just think. Quick example of what I mean by you have to know, not think. We were doing consulting work with a moving company, pretty well-established company, second generation. And the owner in charge said, yeah, I know who my target audience is. It's like guys like me, 50-year-old men. They make the decisions in that, like in the household for moving and storage, and you know, they handle all that. I was like, okay, so let's take a look at the insights. 70% women. He assumed, right? That's not knowing your audience. That's just liking people who are exactly the same as you. It's easy to assume, but actually know who is your target audience. And I was like, you laughed. Obviously not the guys doing that. That's almost always, right? But we can be blind to this sometimes, right? We make these assumptions because we've just always done things that way. And so sometimes it takes, you know, maybe a little class like this to get you out of that rhythm to really reevaluate. Like, we looked at the Google Analytics and we just said, like, right there, 75% women are on the page. So I don't think it's 50-year-old men who we should be targeting. So that changed the messaging.